Hi everyone, my name is Linda and I'm a certified hypnotherapist practicing Rapid Transformational Therapy, more simply known as RTT. I can help people overcome issues such as anxiety, stress, eating disorders, lack of confidence, depression, weight control, toxic relationships, low self-esteem, and much more. RTT completely changed my life, and if you want to know more about RTT, how it helped me overcome my challenges, head over to my website. My website link is in my bio. If you or somebody you know needs some help, why not book a free consultation call with me?